let's get straight to it. So today I am using resin charms to decorate my phone case. So the majority of these charms here I casted myself. What you're going to need for this tutorial is some resin pieces like these. Otherwise you can use polymer clay charms or even keychains. Any kind of wee decoration will do. It's a good idea to make a wee kind of draft like this of where you want your pieces to go, just so you have a bit of a game plan going into it. You'll also need a hard plastic phone case, some cups to mix different colors of silicone, some acrylic paint for coloring your silicone. They don't all have to be the same brand. I have used like all of these colors together before and it's worked out just fine. A piping bag with a star nozzle tip, and of course your bathroom silicone. So you can see that the one that I buy is the white kind of silicone. Now you can also get this in clear, which is really cool. It makes like a jelly-like effect. Bathroom silicone is really difficult to pipe, especially in the winter. If you live anywhere apart from in the USA, as far as I'm aware, your bathroom silicone will also be tricky to pipe. So if you happen to be in a country which has denser bathroom silicone like I do, then what I would recommend you using is some terps. So this is known as Methylated Sprits. So this is a thinner, which means it's going to thin down our silicone, making it easier to pipe. But since it's alcohol, that's going to evaporate and it's still going to set. As a disclaimer, if you're young, honestly, you need to do this with an adult. You're mixing these kinds of chemicals. It's actually a very strong odor, so you seriously have to do it in a super well ventilated area. Put on a mask if you have one. I don't know, guys, just be wary of this. So to start with, we are going to add some scratches to our phone case to ensure that the silicone has something to grip onto. I want to make a two-tone kind of frosting, so I'm going to be splitting my silicone into 2 cups. I'm now going to add some of my methylated spirits into my silicone. This is really climate sensitive in the sense that in the middle of winter it's a lot stiffer and more difficult to pipe, whereas right now it's currently spring, it's really a lot softer, to be honest. So I'm going to be adding the tiniest amount of this in there. Oops. Great, so we're ready to pipe our case. Now I would recommend getting some glue tack for the corners, just so when you place your phone down, it's not going to move around on you when you try to pipe it. I do use this, which is just a silicone mat I have for resin casting. Sorry, it stopped recording. And even worse, I think I'm gonna run out. So don't worry too much if your piping is kind of ugly like mine is. The majority of the case is covered in the decorations, so yeah, don't fret too much. While the silicone is soft, I'm going to go ahead and clean up this edge here where it's kind of messy. So here it is, guys. Here is my finished case. I hope this tutorial could have helped you if you happen to live in a country where your bathroom silicone is really difficult to pipe like mine used to be. I hope you may be enjoying this spooky season as much as I am. I'm so excited to have this case good to go for October. Oh, it's gonna be fabulous. But yeah, man, anyways, thank you so much for watching and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye!